That's the coolest thing ever.
It's a cattle drive. Look at this. Awesome. A cattle drive right down the highway. How awesome is that? Oh wow, this is so cool. Okay, YouTube fans, Bucket List Journey is back on the trail. And look at this, we have a cattle drive for you. How about that? This is awesome. They'll go around you.
Alright, come on and look at him over here.
Yeah.
That is so
That's awesome. Uh-oh, that one wants to go the other way. Uh-oh, that one wants to butt heads.
He's gonna walk right next to him.
Okay, little boy, you just keep it going.
Oh, she's limping. She's hurt.
Can you hear him? Ava, Sandy, it's okay. It's okay.
Make sure they're all past us, that way I don't hear them.
That's a cool cattle drive. We're on our way to High Island. We're here in Texas, not far out of Beaumont, and that was so cool. How about that for a fresh start?